In this problem, we want to find the critical numbers in the open intervals in which the function is increasing or decreasing. So we got f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 3. Now step 1 is we want to find our derivative. So f prime, take your power, put it up in front, lower it by 1, minus, and then 4x just becomes 4. Now step 2, set your derivative equal to 0, so set 2x minus 4 equal to 0, and then solve for x. So I'm going to take the negative 4 over to the right side, and we got 2x is equal to positive 4. Divide both sides by 2, and we get x is equal to 2. And that's our critical number. Now step 3. Here we got x is equal to 2. Clear over here is negative infinity, and clear over here is positive infinity. Now we want to pick test cases. That's what TC stands for. Get my calculator going here. Even though this one's pretty simple, we could just do it that way. I want to get used to showing you how to do it in the calculator. Now when I say pick test cases, we want to choose something in this range right here, between negative infinity and 2. Doesn't matter what you pick. Let's pick 0. 0 is almost a perfect one if you can pick it in that interval. And over here we want to choose something between 2 and positive infinity. Pick 3. You could pick 4 or 5, just as long as you pick any number between 2 and positive infinity. Now those are our test cases. Now we want to plug those into our derivative and see what our sign is. Well, here's our derivative, 2x minus 4. And if I plug those in, I got 2 times 0 minus 4 and 2 times 3 minus 4. 2 times 0 is 0, minus 4 is negative, which means this is decreasing. 2 times 3 is 6, minus 4 is 2, which is positive, so it's increasing. Now again, how we can do this on our calculator is we're going to plug in 2x minus 4. So press y equals clear, and also I have to go down to y2 because I have junk in there. Okay. Yours, you shouldn't have to do that. You just should be able to press y equals clear, and we put in our derivative, which was 2x minus 4. So I got 2x minus 4. Now we need to go into table setup. So we do second window, and you want your independent set to ask. If it isn't already set to ask, you down arrow to it and put your flashing cursor on the ask. So I down arrow to that line. Right arrow, put my flashing cursor on ask, and press enter one time. And then exiting out of anything is second mode. Now you shouldn't have to do the table setup more than once. So now we're going to go into table feature. So we'll do second graph. And if you have numbers here, you can press delete to clean them out. And we got test cases of 0 and 3. So if I put 0 enter, 3 enter, you see that 0 gives me a negative number, so it's decreasing. 3 gives me a positive number, so it's increasing. Now we could care less what those values are. All we're trying to figure out is the sign, whether it's positive or negative. Okay, so this is decreasing. And it'll be decreasing from negative infinity to 2. Negative infinity to 2. Now over here it's increasing. And that's from 2 to positive infinity. And those would be our answers.